What's up guys, English Dan back with another video. So I did say that I had something new from Soundcore, and this is it. This is the Life Q30 noise cancelling headphones. Hybrid ANC, 40 hours playtime, 2 mics for clear calls, NFC fast pairing, high-res sound, 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours playtime, NFC fast pairing. You've also got the transparency mode, touch the cup for transparency mode, and multi-mode noise cancellation via the Soundcore app. Yes, buddy, this comes with connection to your phone via the Soundcore app. We all know how good the Soundcore app is. Yeah. Anyway, let's break this open, see what they look like, and I'll give you my first impressions. Okay, welcome back guys. So let's break into this basically. There's nothing much more I can tell you about what I've already said on the box. Clear calls via 2 mics, uplink noise reduction, outdoor, indoor, transport, Anchor innovations. Yeah. Usual Anchor packaging that gives you tons of information. But you don't care about that. You want to see what's inside here, don't you? So let's open this thing up. And the first thing you come to is this really nice case. Let's put the box out of the way. Put the box over there out of the way. So yeah, first thing you come to is this really nice case. It's a textured case. It's not like the pleather or anything like that. It's like a cotton material over the top. It's got Soundcore in the silver writing. It's a decent size case as well, which is a good thing. I like the fact that it's not all bunched up inside of there. Let's open up and see what we get inside. It is a zipper, and it does have a fastener here, so you can put the link through there and carry it on your backpack that way if you wanted to, or just carry it around using the loop. So let's open this up. Bang, straight away. There's your headphones. We'll get to them in a second. So here's the usual Soundcore how do we do. Here's your quick start guide. Here is your whatever warning. Your materials to tell you not what to do with it. Also in this little pouch that's on the side here, you get your USB-C cable powered by Anchor. You also get your 3.5mm auxiliary cable, which is nice to still have that around. Then of course in this side we have the headphones, and as you can see they look really smart. They do fold up as you can see, but we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. And that's it for the case, but as you can see the case is great. It holds the headphones in fantastic. They don't just go in there, they have a specific place. You know, you get the Sonys and they have that piece of Velcro in there that's really not going to hold anything in place. Well, these don't. These are made purposefully, these cases, for these headphones, so they're going to stay right where they are. So yeah, nice touch. Soundcore, impressed with that. So let's put the case over here. Here's what you wanted to see. Now these are the headphones, the Life Q30. So straight away, plenty of padding up at the top, absolute ton of padding. You get down to the sides, active noise cancelling, wrote down this side in gold, active noise cancelling right down the other side in gold. As you'll see, the logos for Soundcore on the actual ear cups are also in gold, so they look quite nice. It's like a black and a coppery kind of gold. Take this sticker off. The sticker says touch for your Android phone, and then touch for transparency. So you do it all out of this cup, which is your right cup. So the right ear cup is for your transparency, and it's also got the NFC in there. So yeah, as we were saying before, they do fold up, so easy to travel with if you don't want to take the bigger case. They also do swivel, so yeah, plenty of options there when it comes to storing them and being on the move with these things. So let's talk about the ear cups themselves. Typical Soundcore, left, right. That way you know you're not going to get them on backwards. Real nice soft leather. These are like really soft as well. Very plush, I've been wearing these for a few hours today, and I didn't get any fatigue or anything like that. I'm not getting hot, sticky ears. It's kind of breathable. So, like I say, very soft and very, very comfortable. Now, when it comes to inside these things, you'll see here this is a metal band. It goes all the way around the top. There's nothing on the top. It's just clean black metal. And it does look good. It has a slight pattern inside it. But as you can see, these are just by doing this. It's very easy, very clicky, and they do stay in place. So let's look at the buttons on these things. So what do we get here? You get your USB-C charging, you get your power, you get your noise cancelling button. On the other ear cup, you get the 3.5mm auxiliary, you get your skip track, you get your plus minus for volume, skipping tracks, things like that. So all your controls, easy to hit, easy to get. They are plastic when it comes to the actual cups themselves. There's no metal on there as far as I can tell. But a couple of microphone holes. There's one. Not sure where the other. Oh, there's another one. And then on here, there's a microphone hole here. And I'm blind because I can't find the other one on that one. Oh, it's right there. So that's your two microphone holes. So what you want to know is, how do these sound? So I'm not going to go into a in-depth review yet because I've not worn them long enough to give you an in-depth review. But what I can say, while I've used them, they've sounded fantastic. And I mean that. I'm not just saying that. They really do sound very, very good. And the noise cancelling in them is really working. It's not just there for the namesake. It's not an advertisement feature or something like that. It really does work very well. The sound on these is very dynamic, and bass, you get plenty of bass out of these, but you're not getting bass mudding up into the mids or anything like that. They're actually prominent in the bass, but your mids and your vocals and your highs and your details are all there. The actual stereo sound out of them is very good. Spatial awareness sort of thing. You can hear things coming from different directions, depending on the song that you're listening to. I think they're fantastic from what I've heard so far. I was a bit late to the game getting these, so that's why it's not classed as a first review. It's just going to be my first impressions. Review will come in a few days after I've worn them and burnt them in properly, because like I say with every pair of headphones, the way you listen to them when they come out the box is not the same sound you're going to hear a few days later. Once you've worn them and burnt them in for a little while, they're going to sound better again, and that's a real big plus point on these, because straight out the box these sound fantastic. So yeah, these are up for pre-order right now. Link is down in the description. Let me know, have you been looking forward to these? Are you happy that they've now got app support? I'm really happy that they've got app support via the Soundcore app. Just a great move by them. Been waiting for the upgrade. So far, I'm really happy. Very comfortable, very lightweight. Just an awesome headset so far. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.